Hello. Magpa-blood pressure ako sa akong nurse.
Tapos na ako again. Tapos look. If I just open it like that, here goes again.
What is that?
They gotta get Anna. Tapos there's a quest with a paper on it. It says blood pressure. And then it says blood pressure. And then we got to connect this onto T-cells.
Yeah, blood pressure.
And then I'm gonna put here, and then I will see the correct one. Oh, there it is. The correct one because that is the correct one. That one you can go open this for this owner after this, but it can't fit. Maybe that one will fit if you just leather it. And then I just like this. That's it. And then if you get
Dada nang masaksak.
dada it, I'm gonna just try just like this and put that one there. And then open there, like, and I just open those pins. Then I just dada. Oh, yes. And okay. And then
No.
I
This one open.
okay. Thank you for opening it. And then you got like this. And then let's just put it like that. Then I just put the button here. Then let's wait it. There we go. And guys, look at this number. This number says closer. Closer. Tapos, oh, look at the number. Wait for the number.
Error. Look, it's error. Push it again.
And then I will edit and then like this. Okay, see guys. Guys, look at the number. What is her na? Let's hold him, guys. Ano mo si Dada now? Ikipa ko man to. Ano yan, guys? Hala, 1-1 ka. Ay, wala pa, guys.
Bago.
Ay, ayaw ka. Kita kang game. Ah, my turn.
No.
Wala pa?
118 over 81.
110 over 80.
Okay, open it.
Wait. I will press it again. I will not move it because I'm moving.
I'm holding you.
Okay, hold it.
Oh no, I feel it that it's going bigger. You feel it?
Mm-hmm.
That's very high. Don't move, Dada. Hold your hand. Guys, mauna ano nga number si Dada 100. Kay ano siya, high blood man siya. Ano man siya, high blood. High blood man siya. Big man high blood.
120 over
Guys,
80.
ayaw pa ba?
120 over 80.
It's normal.
My turn.
No, mommy first.
Okay, I'm your doctor, mommy. I'm your doctor now. Next.
Ayun know.
High blood pressure man siya. Guys, high blood pressure siya.
Wait.
High blood.
Ayun si mommy. Dili pa man na.
Yan yung akin, guys.
Ayan, then high blood man siya. Then I will
Dugay ako natulog kagabi, alas 12 na. Isang ka cellphone.
bladder mag siya. Yung kita guys with this.
Stop. Lunchtime. Push it.
And then I'm a doctor again. So
Why
I'm gonna
error?
help him. I can feel it. I mean your skin is turning red.
Wait lang kay ipahinga sa nato kay
Error.
kuha diha imong fit.
Out the fit. Guys, na ako again. Guys, nabalik pa ko na kay urong man ko kay wala kung naghawa sa tiil kay cold man to. Pa-cold man to.
Ibig sabihin 3 error is high blood talaga si Mami.
High blood.
Oh, wait lang.
Okay,
Iulit
wait.
nato, be.
No,
Wait lang.
wait.
Iayos.
Kita kay
No, iayos nato, be. Iayos nato.
Ano kuhain tila?
Okay naman na.
Second girl, you're next. Later na, wala pa.
Iayos, bre.
I-fix mo muna din sa gawas nga kay nga ni mo.
Later na, wala pa. High blood man siya.
High blood yun yung error.
Full correct ba nito, ano? Wait.
Sabihin na taas.
Blub.
Hindi siya ma-red. Okay, yo.
Kani siya sa may ano diri o.
Ayoko.
Mo gud imong kuan.
Pada may na dia.
Dira na sa may ubos mahal dira sa ano diri o diri. Dili sobra.
It means you're high blood. Hala, I will do that.
No, wait.
Di ba blaster ko sa ano. Sige na, okay na. Yan.
What's thinking so now? 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Ah, yeah, why did it take you forever? I'm listening.
200 na.
200 ka. Okay, namin tanggalin.
It's not finished. Don't touch it. Relax lang ka kay para maano siya.
It means you're normal.
No, it's not normal. Mommy's always high blood. See?
Oh, may
158 over 109.
Hala, high blood ka.
160 over 100. Wait lang. Another error na to.
Yung mga ano, pila mo na.
150 over 95. Very high. What more pa kaya itong kuhan?
Pindot mo na?
Yeah, bre.
Okay, don't touch.
I'm touching you pa.
Oh, here, touch it. Pressure again.
I hear your heart like
150 over 110. Taas lagi.
taas lagi ka.
Relax.
Relax lang ikaw.
No. Just wait.
160 over 125.
See?
Taas.
Break blood sugar.
You're high blood.
Yes.
Your high blood too, see?
You see?
161 over 127. Grabe, high blood.
High blood. Sa mga high blood, mga look.
Yan.
You need to drink siya.
Yan, inom na siya yung herbal tea. Wala ito nakita, gimuan na lang. So, yan po yung herbal tea. Ang GB herbal tea at saka yung milk. Yan, ginainom niya. Kaya high blood siya karoon, mainom siya na.
Hindi, araw-araw man na siya nag-inom.
Everyday drinking herbal tea. Okay, so...
Guys, nako nag-drink ka herbal tea.
Ang herbal tea yan. Hot na herbal tea.
Tapos ano herbal tea, adi?
Gamay na lang. So, maghimo pa ta kay punta kami sa generic para magpa ano kami na sugar. Pagdating namin yung sugar namin. Punta kami na sa aming pa-check sa aming blood pressure. Okay ako, pinag sa kuha.
Tapos na ako.
Tapos ang kasama ko ay may blood.
Blood pa ko.
Asawa ay may blood. Ayan, pupunta kami doon. Let's go.
Days divided in 6.
Why? Why? I don't want to do that.
Sugar, ito. Tama. Pila to sa kuha?
101 mo mo.
Pasulat mo mo.
5.6.
Alam ko na
Okay ra.
Normal na pala mo.
Normal kami, normal. Isulat yan naman. So, yan.
Sa resibo na lang sir, divided.
Sige. Sa resibo na lang.
Kaya,